So, welcome back, children. Continuation of class is there here. Conclusion of the first chapter here. In the previous class, we discussed about the junk foods. Junk foods play a very dangerous role in our body. So, the thing is here, we won't eat proper food first. That means we eat always junk foods here, and we go on filling waste materials in our food. That means we go on filling waste materials in our food. So total body becomes very dangerous within just 10 to 30 years. And when the time of settlement, for example, from your child age to from your child age to till you get a job, you will be going on eating these junk foods here. So what will happen now, we will discuss. That means from childhood onwards till you get job, you will be eating junk foods, and then junk foods will be adding upon waste materials in your food completely throughout that many years. When the time has come from 30 years, when you want to enjoy your life with your good job, from then onwards what will happen slowly, your body will say your body is getting BP. Tested with doctor, BP you got, and your body got sugar, cancer, everything. Why? Why? Because all these years you just depended on junk food. So due to that, what will happen here? In junk foods, very bad oils will be used, and very adulterated, impure substances will be used. That will attack your body these many years. Due to that, what will happen here? Your body will become very very weak. So you are supposed to eat the good food products which are made only by your mother at your home. Understood? So always mother's food is very safe. Why? Because in this world there is no any person who cares as much as your mother can. Understood? So if you like any outside food, just get that process, explain to your mother, and then your mother will prepare at your home only. That is the safest thing. So without knowing this small thing, you go on eating junk foods here, and you go on making your body junk. If your body is junk, your organs also junk. Say for example kidneys, say for example your heart and liver. So every organ will be getting spoiled. So you are supposed to have good food habits. So what are the good food habits here? The food habits of the people depends upon the climatic conditions first, and the cultural practices. In India, all festival foods are very 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 healthy. In Indian festivals will be there. So Indian festivals are very very nutritious values will be having, and those are important for us to conserve. Understood? And we eat rice in a large quantity, but people living in north side eat chapatis only daily. But in south side, rice we will be eating. Understood? Because wheat is grown in north side, rice is grown in south side. So due to these climatic conditions, we need to eat our climate food only, so that only it can be balanced in the food. Understood? And here you can see leafy vegetables are there here, and drumsticks are there, and good peanut oil or some vegetable oil is there, and here cabbage is there, cauliflower, beetroot, tomatoes, potatoes, green leafy vegetables, eggs are there, brinjal, and here your favorite food material without which your life only won't complete. Milk is there, fruits are there here, and remaining all the fruits and vegetables are there. So this, if you are taking in a week, then you are said to be as full-fledged balanced diet. Along with that, you need to include fishes also, dry fruits also. During Ramzan festival, uh, many times we'll be using all dry fruits. So those dry fruits are most important here. Understood? And then who said this all? That means nutrition. We need to eat this one, that one, this one. So story starts with uh, 170 years ago. There was a scientist named called as Lavoisier. This person's name is Lavoisier. Understood? So this person has discovered how to eat and what to eat here, and he is also the founder of Science of Nutrition. That means what is their science behind them. So he is also founder of the nutrition here. Understood? So you need to remember that this person belongs to 1752 by James Lind's discovery scurvy disease. First James Lind was discovered scurvy disease. He said that without eating oranges or otherwise lemon, we will get scurvy disease. That means our teeth will be spoiled. That first was known. From there only, okay, they understood that which food will give us disease free thing in our body. That was learned. Understood? And in 1952, it was known that diseases could be cured by eating certain kinds of food. Till 19th century also, we have come to know that which foods are giving good things here. Then only we understood that here, yes, there are 7 components of food, and that 7 components of food if we eat means we get no diseases. This was said by Lavoisier. He was a French person, that means belongs to France. Understood? So these topics are enough for your 7th class. Understood? So without this, if you want to read extra means that you will learn in the future. In 7th class, what are the topics are needed, that topics if you need means enough. Understood? And keywords are there here. We need to see the keywords: carbohydrates, fibers, balanced diet, proteins, fats, constipation, vitamins, minerals. These are the different kinds of keywords. Now what you need to do means here, as this first chapter food components important chapter for your 8th class and for 10th class also. First chapter in 10th class, this chapter only will be there. Understood? So if you are just remembering this topic means you can be advantage for 8th and 10th class. Understood? And now your work is that after listening this, you need to write you need to search it for carbohydrates definition. Just one sentence of definition is enough. Understood? For 7th class. This is not PhD, or you are not becoming now only scientist. In future you can become scientist. Understood? But now one sentence of carbohydrate, one sentence of fiber, one sentence of balanced diet. Here also proteins, fats, constipation, vitamins, minerals. Why? Because in your exam for 1 mark will be getting these kind of keywords. Understood? So if you are able to know these keywords, then you are able to understand this whole chapter. Understood? So if any doubts are there means you need to watch again the playlist here from starting what I explained. And exams are coming very fastly, so read more and more here. And even Hello Biology team also suggests you to listen and read well exams, as they are appearing very soon. So concentrate on that. Don't waste the time. Everything has completed. When it is come, when the time has come, you need to show your talent. Understood? So this is all for today. Have a good day ahead, and learn properly and write properly, and watch again and again the videos for clarity. Understood? Have a good day ahead.